Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
They say we live in the smartest age ever. We have technology, science, and power at our fingertips. The world proudly says, we don't need guidance anymore. We've got this. But if we're so capable, why is the world still hurting? With all our intelligence, we still don't know how to be just.
So children, if humans are so advanced, why is the world still unfair?
Maybe because knowing things isn't the same as doing the right thing.
Human history is full of experiments, different systems, different leaders, different promises. Every time something is missing. Human solutions are like phone lights, they work, but only for a while. Divine guidance is a light that never dies. This is why Allah never left the world without a guide, and why even today we have an Imam. He is not hidden because the world doesn't need him. He is hidden because the world is not ready for him. Imam Mahdi himself said his benefit during occultation is like the sun behind the clouds, yet without it, life would end. We are incapable of fixing the whole world alone, but we are capable of fixing ourselves. Every truthful word, every act of justice, every prayer for Imam Mahdi is preparation.
If Imam Mahdi comes later, what should we do now?
Become the kind of people he would trust.
The world says we can handle it. History proves we cannot without divine guidance.